Hello there, Charlie from the Vevox customer success team here. Vevox has some great tools built within the platform to help you to facilitate ideas sharing and decision making across a whole host of meetings, be it those large all company meetings to those smaller internal meetings. So I'm going to show you a quick way on how you can utilize the Q&A board and some of the polling features to capture some ideas, show that you're taking action and that you're making a quick decision on all of those suggestions that audience have submitted. So in terms of utilizing the Q&A board, I just want to make sure in the settings that my Q&A board is set to on. I've got it in auto publish at the moment, but if I wanted to preview any suggestions, I could also switch moderation on to preview those. I've popped out a host message up here. I've asked everybody in the company how we can make example company an even better place to work. So I want everybody sharing their ideas in the Q&A board, and I'm going to encourage everybody to like any of those suggestions that have been posted, just to help me to get a feel for what those really popular ideas are. Okay, so everybody has been busy plumbing in their ideas. At the point when I want to display those ideas to my audience and have a discussion around them, I'm going to open up my present view display just here. Okay, so here we have our ideas and they'll be pinging through to the Vevox present view as they come through. Now I want to prioritize those ideas and I want to understand what those top ideas are from attendees in the room. So I'm going to organize my ideas by the most liked. Okay, and I can see those top ideas in here are having a day off for birthday, mental health initiatives, flexible working hours, team building away days, and breakfast once a week. Okay, so I've got those suggestions. I want to show that I'm now taking some action on those suggestions, and I want to make a quick decision on which of those ideas we should really go for and implement straight away after the meeting. So I'm going to take those ideas and I'm going to plumb them into a ranking poll, and I'm going to get my audience to order those suggestions in preference for us. Okay, so I'm coming into the polls up here. I'm going to hit the create poll and I'm going to select a ranking poll. I'm going to get everybody to order by preference. And I'm going to ask, please rank the following suggestions in order of preference on how we can make example company an even better place to work. So those top suggestions I've got in the Q&A board, I've popped them into my question here, and I'm going to hit save. Okay, I'm going to go back to my present view full screen. I'm going to open that poll, and I'm going to ask everybody to rank the following suggestions in order of preference. Okay, so we're going to put all of those preferences in, and then we're going to hit the send button. And I'm going to close that poll off. And then we can get an idea of what everybody believes to be that top suggestion, so the most preferred suggestion in the room. So I can see today that everybody in my audience believes that having a day off your birthday is going to be that most preferred option. So as an action to take away from this meeting, I might go away and discuss whether this is a good initiative to bring into the company benefits. Hopefully that's given you a really great idea to take away and try and implement in some of your meetings to help facilitate those ideas and making quick decisions. Do reach out to us at any time if you ever want to bounce ideas with us. You can also reach us on support@vevox.com. Hope you enjoyed this video, and do stay tuned to more videos and more great ideas from the Vevox customer success team.